Okay, so I get a lot of requests online when people are asking me about a serious gaming laptop and they want to invest. And I mean, I have to ask them these very basic questions. These are very basic, like what is your budget, kind of money that you have to invest in your gaming laptop, and what kind of performance, what kind of benchmarks are you expecting? Now, the problem is whenever I ask these questions, they just give up and give me very vague answers. Yaar, mujhe nahi pata, just give me the best option that you have. And that is where the problem arises. Now, when they say the best, I mean, look, as a journalist, I can't go around calling the laptop or any laptop the best because it's a disservice to my profession. However, I do have a gaming laptop with me today that you should definitely have a look at because I feel it's something that you would like, and if you're looking for a powerful gaming laptop that doubles as a work machine as well, then I mean, this could be a good option. Look, I'm not calling it the best, but if there was a super laptop that would be running on God mode, then the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i would definitely make a worthy challenger against it. Hey guys, this is Cyrus. So welcome to Fiiber by India today, and today we will be reviewing the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, which is the 14th generation version of this laptop. It's a powerful beast, but what more does it offer? We'll find out in this review. Now, right off the bat, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is an imposing machine if you look at it. It's like built like a tank. I mean, it's heavy and it's not something that would be easy carrying around. Now, even the charging adapter adds a lot of the bulk to the entire package. I mean, this is a 16-inch laptop which will not squeeze easily to any of your regular backpacks. I mean, I tried it and I struggled a lot. Now, the problem is if you are looking for something slim and compact, then this is definitely not the machine for you. But if you're looking for powerful performance and you're okay with an imposing size like this, then only continue watching this video. Now, this is an all aluminum body, quite sturdy machine with a hexagonal ports around it. Looks very futuristic, to be very honest. Now, the display hinge is also very stiff, which means you can angle it to a perfect 180-degree flat panel. I honestly don't know how many people use their laptops like this, like flat on the table. I mean, there are some special people out there, but yeah, if you kind of like that form factor, then I'm sure you would like this machine. Now, this is the Lenovo True Strike keyboard that you see here. RGB colors, great travel, and even houses a full number pad, which is great for office work and if you're doing calculations. Now, the trackpad is responsive and large enough and offers multiple gestures, but what I really liked the most is this little LED strip that's running beneath the laptop, which kind of adds to the overall aesthetic appeal of the entire machine. Now, you can customize the keys and the LED color, and I'll talk more about that later in the video. Now, this is surrounded by so many ports that you would never need an extra adapter, and if you want to connect multiple devices, then this is a great machine. And the best part is that the power socket kind of comes in the back, which maintains the good aesthetic appeal of the laptop. Now, overall, it's a good design, and all the powerful hardware has been squeezed very smartly into this very nice looking package. And if you're looking for something that's versatile and can double as a work laptop and also work as a gaming machine, then this design is all aces. Now, this is a 16-inch WQXGA display, that's wide quad extended graphics array display that's mostly used in some of the high-end laptops that you see in the market. Now, I just loved gaming on this screen. It's pretty huge, there's ample display area, and it can clock up to 240 Hz of refresh rate. Now, every detail on this panel, every character that you want to see will be crystal clear, and it's immaculate, the kind of clarity that you're getting from this kind of a machine. Now, if you're editing content as well, you will have loads of display area and work area, and even the 500 nits might look low on paper, but you're getting enough brightness from this machine. Now, interesting bit is that this display has been certified by X-Rite, a global leader in color science and technology, for its color accuracy and consistency, which basically assures the quality that it's offering here. And you can see it while watching content or even gaming, especially while gaming FPS. Now, the better refresh rate and everything kind of gives you a competitive edge if you want a serious gaming laptop. And you can even set your display profiles according to the kind of work that you're doing. So if you're gaming, you have a different display profile. If you're working on creating content, a different color mode and a refresh rate. So I like this customization that you get, because a lot of people work on different profiles at different professions. For them, I think this feature is excellent. Overall, I feel it's a fantastic display for all your gaming needs, including if you're wanting to watch some content on this laptop, because you're getting a big 16-inch screen. And I was able to manage a few timelines when I was editing a video in this one, so it's large enough for that. But I would say a good mixed breed option if you're working and gaming on this machine. Now, the Pro 7i is a beast of a machine. It's powered by Intel's latest 14th generation Core i9 14900HX processor and built on the company's latest architecture that allows a significant number of cores and threads to run simultaneously, which is great if you wanted to multitask on such a machine. Now, switching between games and apps is going to be very easy. I personally tried it. It didn't give me any problem. But it comes with AI capabilities. That's Lenovo's AI Plus engine that can automatically detect the kind of games that are playing on the laptop and then adjust the performance in a way that you get the best and the highest FPS. Now, this, by the way, is thanks to the dedicated AI chip that comes inside the machine, which is enabled with machine learning, which understands the game's requirements, by the way, whichever game you're playing. It powers the fans accordingly, adjusts the graphics, and provides you the best performance that you need. So when you're enabling the AI feature, go to the Lenovo Vantage app. That's where you can trigger it. Now, you can run various game customizations on the app that suit your need, from customizing the thermals within the machine and also customizing the GPU. So it's all built inside of it. Now, there is a dedicated co-pilot button to trigger the AI, which you can use to create, images or write sample documents, the basic AI stuff. But the fact is that you're getting AI in this machine, and also with gaming, this is a power duo. Now, we ran some benchmark tests on this laptop to see how it performs in terms of synthetic numbers, and it did pass all of these tests with flying colors. I mean, this is a testament to the kind of performance that this laptop is capable of. Let's check out the benchmarks now. Now, when it comes to data transfers via the USB type A ports that I use, and it offers transfer speeds of to 5 Gbps, I was able to transfer a 2.7 GB file within minutes. Now, while encoding a 2.65 GB 4K video, by the way, using Handbrake, I was able to convert it into a 1080p 60 FPS file in just 7 minutes, which is fantastic for people who work with media files. Now, the graphics are powered by the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 graphic card, which is a top of the line graphics engine in this price segment, which essentially means that you're getting a 59% faster performance than the RTX 3090 Ti and about 71% faster than the 6950 XT that is, by the way, I'm talking about 4K gaming. Now, it also enables real-time ray tracing for complex gaming scenes, and I think that this kind of hardware is perfect for all of your gaming needs. Now, while I did try a variety of games on this laptop, I played them all at max graphics, and this laptop was able to keep up. So the kind of games that are being developed today with such high intensive graphics, I think this is a good machine to tackle all of those. Now, while this laptop does come with a vapor cooling system, by the way, and it also offers a quiet mode, it's not that quiet. But the problem is these fans can hit an uncomfortable decibel level when you are playing, which can be a problem when you're playing using the speakers and not the headphones. You can switch between multiple performance mode, by the way, to control the fan speed. So, which is why I recommend you keep it on the balance mode so that the fans don't clock higher speeds and disrupt your gaming performance, which could be inconvenient. So, yeah, balance mode is the best one. Now, what I liked about the Legion is that you can use it as a work laptop in office. Now, while it subtly blends with the office decor and the setup, I didn't feel that I needed to buy a separate machine for my office work, which is great if you're looking for a two-in-one kind of a system that games well and also does the basic office work. Now, you also have the option of customizing the sound profiles using the native app that's available inside of the laptop, which offers multiple options like music, movies and games, so as per your preference. Now, the audio is powered by Harman, by the way, which is quite good when you are playing. You can actually hear the thump whenever you're shooting or watching an action scene, wherever you're firing weapons, or whenever you are seeing one of those action sequences. There is a lot of bass that you can get with this one. Now, the keyboard and the base LEDs can also be customized, by the way, as per your need, and I love that Lenovo gives you the option of customizing the light in each key, which is great. Now, typing in the keyboard is a breeze. I was able to get an accuracy of 94% while using the Key Hero test, and also was able to clock up around 45 words per minute. So if you do a lot of typing, I think this is a good keyboard to have. Now, you also get an onboard FHD webcam that is decent for Zoom calls and some of the virtual meetings that you want to do, but it doesn't get a physical shutter button because of the less bezel area. So you get a virtual shutter which you can trigger using one of the keys on the right of the keyboard. Overall, the 7i I feel is an ultimate gaming machine, and even if you're looking to become a pro, I think this would be a good machine if you want to kick things off, because it's getting a powerful chipset, offers multiple customization options, top graphics, and is currently offering you a good keyboard system as well, and it's pretty efficient when it comes to cooling. So overall, I think it's a complete package if you're looking to become a serious pro or just like casual gaming. Now, the laptop houses a 99.9 watt hour battery with a rapid charge support, by the way. Now, this is the charging time that I was able to get with the adapter that is packaged in the box, and I think this is excellent because you're able to go from 0 to 100 within an hour, and for a laptop with this kind of a form factor and size, I think this is great charge time. Now, for the people who are a bit adventurous, who would want to carry this laptop around and take it everywhere, you are getting a decent battery backup, but I wouldn't recommend carrying it around. But in case you do decide and have the muscles to do it, or want to take it for your office meetings or anything, it will be able to give you ample backup. Now, in the battery saving mode, by the way, I was able to get a good 8 hours running basic tasks like surfing the internet, watching a couple of YouTube videos, having a few Excel sheets open. But if you are really pushing it, if you're wanting to game on this laptop, and by the way, when I say game, high definition game on performance mode, you will be able to get 40 to 45 minutes with the battery that is on board if you're running it from 100. However, in balance mode, if you have the graphics tweaked to mid-range, I think you'd be able to get a few more minutes with it. But my recommendation, always keep it plugged in. Do not game on the battery because it just kills the battery health. Still, I would say it's a good battery pack, and yeah, the power adapter could have been a bit lighter and the package would have been lighter, but it's not a deal breaker. I'm just stating what it's there. Alright, so verdict time. Is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i worth buying for a steep price tag of around 3 lakh rupees for the 14th gen variant? Tough call. Let's see, it's pretty simple. I wouldn't call it the best option in this price range. I mean, you're adding a few more $1,000 and you're getting the ROG Strix, the Scar 18, which is a better machine. You're getting good hardware, and plus, yes, you also get the extra kilos. But you also, if you're looking for a lighter version, you can go for the HP Omen 18, which is a portable gaming laptop. However, I would say that the 7i here is a more comprehensive piece of hardware. Which I said, which is when I say if you're looking for a no-nonsense, powerful gaming laptop that offers a spectacular large display, has great gaming hardware, it gives you good experience, and you can double it as a working machine for editing and doing your office work, then the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is a good option to have, and which is why in our Fiiber rating we will give it a solid 8. Yes, there are some cons. I mean, it's a bit heavy and it does make a lot of noise with its cooling system, but otherwise, if you can oversee some of these small issues, this is a good deal to have. Thanks for watching this video. Do let us know in the comment section what you think about Lenovo's latest gaming machine and whether it's something that you would want to buy under 3 lakh rupees. I mean, we've told you all the pros and the cons. You can definitely make a decision for yourself. And again, for everything tech, stay tuned to Fiiber by India Today. This is Cyrus signing off. We'll be back soon.